Hi traders, thank you for joining the Master the Markets team today and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent performance. It is Tun Arpan here, founder of Master the Markets, Elite Traders Conference and the Traders Open Day. So let's dive into our live trading session video today. So the topic is going to be on breakouts. And let's also take a look at some live trades that are occurring as we speak. So as we have explained to you, we look at the stretch and the range. However, for cable over here, the range has already happened for today. So no trades at all. There was a trade yesterday on this one where we would have made money on that particular trade over there. So let's take a look at some live trades happening at the moment over here. So I have taken a look at, let's take a look at now dollar Swiss. Okay, so over here dollar Swiss, what we are taking a look at is basically looking at for this bottom to be confirmed. So if I take a look on the 1 hour time frame over here, so I am first taking a look at the upper stretch being broken out, and then I'm waiting for a breakout trade in this case, because that will be an opposite stretch as well. So that is one that is setting up, which we have to keep looking at every 1 hour, because we are trading on a 1 hour time frame here. Or in terms of currently at the moment, it's broken this stretch line here. So if it does take out this, we'll be going short on this particular trade. In terms of euro dollar, it is matching up at the moment over here. If you take a look at the euro dollar 1 hour time frame over here, what we have done over here is that it's taken out the upper stretch line, it's closed above that as well, and then we've got a retracement. So we had a breakout. Okay, so the breakout was by this bar over here. So let me just erase that off. Not only did it break out, it did close above the stretch line, and then we had a retracement by this bar here. Okay, so what we have done now is we are projecting for this trade now to take out this high of this red bar and continue back in its upward trend, not upward trend, sorry, but in its direction of its breakout. That's what we're looking at to form its range for the day. And then my target is over here based on the range. So all I'm looking at doing, if I look at the daily and the 1 hour, is that I'm looking for this bar to form its high more further up, not really necessarily close, but its range towards the high, because it's taken out its upper stretch line. Okay, so that's what we are looking for actually. And the range, what we're looking for, 80% of 65, that's about 52 pips. That's why the low to 52 pips is about there, 113.20. Okay, I will recalculate that at the end of the hour, because that will change, because now it's taken out this low once more. Okay, of course, if it does take out the opposite stretch line, then this order will be invalid, and we will then take it out and we will cancel the order.
For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, the first step to do is to find out your trader type by taking our Trader Personality Quiz today. This will help you trade strategies that fit your personality to achieve consistent performance. After the quiz, you will also gain a free video course that suits your personality to help you trade safely with low risk and high returns.
In terms of Aussie dollar, let's take a look over here. Aussie dollar bottom to top move. We are looking at about 48 pips. The range at the moment is 26 pips. 1 hour time frame, what we're looking out for. Again, we had a breakout. This bar over here broke out of this upper stretch line, and we had a bit of a retracement from here. So let me just show you that. So we had the first breakout here, then it did retrace, then again it's looking to break out of the upper stretch line. It did retrace once again over here, did break that upper stretch line again over here, and that's where we are putting our entry order as of now. and our stop loss is going to be at the low of this retracement bar. Okay, so that's what we're doing, and target is for that, and it's all correlated in terms of a bottom to top move on the daily time frame. So of course we will wait and see, and we'll see as the hour goes by. Every 1 hour we will check it. So the next one will be at 1 p.m. we will check it. Of course, traders, you must know when to cancel the order as well. You must know when also to reverse the order as well. So the other critical level point I'll be looking at is for the lower stretch line. If it does break that, I'll cancel it, and I'll see if I can get another trade towards the short. But that will be a non-correlated trade to the daily time frame, because it's a bottom to top move according to our smart money indicator over here. And we talk more about all of this at Traders Basecamp package as well, so do look at that. Do look at our Trader Starter Pack video series, which really gives you a tremendous, immense value of information as well, and you will understand all the concepts over here. Okay, so that's what I wanted to tell you guys in terms of breakouts and the live trading that's going on at the moment. So quite a few trades setting up, just patience. We just have to see how they come out to be, to see which direction and at what time you want to get into the trades. As of now, Aussie dollar, and we've got euro dollar as well. Those are the two trades that we have in place. And dollar Swiss, we can be looking at for it to break this low over here to form it to the lower side. Alright guys, that's all from me on this trade, and as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in, and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.